Dutch Sense here. 4:11 p.m. Central Time on Tuesday, January 6th, 2015. And I've got you looking at Earthquake 3D here, which is a USGS feed of the most recent earthquakes. And literally, within the past 15 minutes, there's been 2 back-to-back earthquakes in Texas, several hundred miles apart. Now, geologists say that one earthquake is not related to the other. However, this just happened. Look, they're on the same latitude, in the same state, which doesn't normally have much seismic activity. Both 3.5 magnitude earthquakes, and they're different events. So let's just get the stats on the first event here. Okay, time, of course, 2015-106 at 21:10 and 31 seconds. And the depth, 3.2 miles. And that's just outside of Dallas. Now, let's get the stats on the newest earthquake. Here we are, Snyder, Texas, at 21:55 and 19 seconds at 2.6 miles. 2 different earthquakes, 2 different locations, a couple hundred miles apart. Definitely both related to fracking. Now, we're looking up the first earthquake now, which is going to bring us right down in on Dallas. Okay, and, okay, here's the spot of a previous earthquake, a previous 3.4 magnitude earthquake from November. And here's the new earthquake right next to this Dallas Stadium, Cowboys Stadium building project that they got going on there. And I already located the well at the previous earthquake. An old, abandoned well. And this is definitely some kind of gas well that's been abandoned back here right in really the metropolitan area of Dallas itself. Now, let's get the earthquake coordinates for the other earthquake. And that was Snyder, Texas. Now, Snyder, of course, if you guys are a viewer of mine, you already know what's located at Snyder. But if you're a new viewer, or maybe you're a teacher or a geologist who doesn't know, I'm going to go ahead and show you here. Previous place marks from other earthquake events that have happened over the past couple of years. So, what did this zoom us in on? It zoomed us in on a large fracking and oil well operation. And when I mean large, we can just back this out, and you can see starts up here to the north and extends down to a much larger operation down here to the south, which you can see each one of these pads is a oil or fracking gas injection well. Let's just zoom in to prove that to you here. Okay, now Texas, of course, is known for its oil drilling, it's known for its oil operations and its natural gas operations. It's not known for large earthquake activity or even moderate earthquake activity. And to see these 2 earthquakes happen back to back along the same latitude, again, same latitude, we're talking over here in Dallas and over here in Snyder, within just less than an hour of each other. So there you go, guys. Fracking induced, Texas fracking earthquake, no doubt about it. It's why it's important that we go look up every earthquake, because they will not tell you. Much love, guys. Be safe. Always have an earthquake plan ready and be prepared. You never know when it could strike. Sometimes these fracking earthquakes can be upwards of 5.0 and greater. 3 5.0 earthquakes across the region in the last 3 years. Colorado, Oklahoma, Arkansas, all at fracking operations. Cause damage to people's houses. Be prepared, guys. Much love.